wife invited me to participate in this. We have been going through a very challenging time. This 3-day event has been, for me, very significant in helping me not even answer any questions, but learn some of the questions that I need to have answers to and work through some of that. And I've been very grateful to her for this.
This workshop has, I think, helped us to realize communication skills and looking at where the other person stands. They may have a different viewpoint on things and the way we approach saying things or the way we hear things that the other person is saying. So it's, I think, given us some things to talk about, some things to work through, and just to see where we go from here.
And you have an amazing staff, and the staff has done a great job. Just a testimony to the effort you all put into it, and y'all's willingness to share all that you have as well. So thank you.